Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to check traffic came from different operating system in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP statistic. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So I already installed this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see statistic. So click on it. So we are in overview and then scroll down, you see multiple options and then you see most used operating system, Windows, iOS, Android. Now you see percentage. Also you see last 30 days. Now select. You see multiple option, week, month, additional date ranges. So you can select custom range. Now you see view most used OS. Now select and then scroll down. You see operating system OS, visitor count 777 from Windows, percent share 37.55%. You see Android OS, Linux, Ubuntu, Fire OS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.